Welcome to PakTech-1. In this video, I will guide you to add subscribe button to all videos of your channel at once. Open any web browser. Type YouTube subscribe button in search bar and hit enter. Click on Images to view image search results by Google. Select a suitable image of your choice and download it. The required size of a YouTube channel watermarks is 150 by 150, so open a new tab and go to canva.com. On the home page of Canva, click on Create New Design. Click on Custom Size and enter size 150 by 150 and click the button Create New Design. Here, click on Uploads button and browse the image you downloaded earlier. Drag and drop the uploaded image on your canvas and resize to maximum. Click on the Share button on top right corner of the page and download the image. If there is some extra color or something in the background, then remove it. Type background remove in the search bar of browser and open the first website remove.bg. Upload the image downloaded from Canva here. The background will be automatically removed. Download the image again. Navigate to your channel in YouTube Studio. From the list on left side, click on Customization. In the Channel Customization tab, click on Branding. Scroll down a little to Channel Watermark and click on Change. Browse and upload the image. Select one of the options about where you want to display this watermark and click on Publish button to publish on all videos of your channel. Open any video and verify whether watermark is being displayed correctly or not. The viewers will see an active subscribe link once cursor is hovered over this watermark or button. We have selected the view at end of the video, so it will be displayed at the end. Here it is. You can see this and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos like this.